Myth versus science. Science has helped us understand the world better, but many myths still exist that people believe to be true. Let's take a look at some popular myths and what science actually says about them.
1. Myth. Humans only use 10% of their brain. Science. This myth has been debunked by neuroscientists. Brain scans show that we use almost all parts of our brain at different times. Even when resting, our entire brain is active throughout the day for various functions like thinking, memory, movement, and emotions. 2. Myth. The Great Wall of China is visible from space. Science. Astronauts have confirmed that the Great Wall is not easily visible from space with the naked eye. It's narrow and blends with the natural terrain. However, cities, highways, and airports are more visible due to artificial lighting. 3. Myth. Lightning never strikes the same place twice. Science. Lightning can and does strike the same place multiple times. Tall structures like the Empire State Building in New York are hit dozens of times a year. Lightning follows the path of least resistance, so it often strikes tall objects repeatedly. 4. Myth. Sugar makes kids hyperactive. Science. Studies have shown that sugar does not cause hyperactivity in children. The belief comes from parents associating sugary treats with energetic behavior at parties or events. However, it's more likely due to excitement rather than sugar itself. 5. Myth. Cracking knuckles causes arthritis. Science. Cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. The popping sound comes from gas bubbles collapsing in the joint fluid, not bone damage. Long-term studies have found no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. 6. Myth. Goldfish have a 3-second memory. Science. Goldfish actually have a memory span of months, not just a few seconds. They can recognize their owners, remember feeding schedules, and even be trained to perform simple tasks. 7. Myth. Vaccines cause autism. Science. This myth started from a fraudulent study in 1998 that has since been debunked. Extensive research worldwide has confirmed that vaccines do not cause autism. Vaccines are essential for preventing deadly diseases like measles, polio, and smallpox. 8. Myth. You swallow spiders while sleeping. Science. This is a false myth. Spiders avoid humans and are unlikely to crawl into a sleeping person's mouth. The vibrations of breathing and snoring actually scare them away. 9. Myth. Mobile phones cause explosions at petrol stations. Science. There is no scientific evidence that mobile phones can ignite petrol fumes. The risk of fire at fuel stations comes from static electricity and sparks from vehicles, not from mobile signals. 10. Myth. Hair and nails keep growing after death. Science. After death, the body loses moisture, causing skin to shrink. This creates an illusion that hair and nails are growing, but in reality, they stop growing once the body dies. Many widely believed myths exist because of misunderstandings, misinformation, or old beliefs. Science helps us separate facts from fiction and understand reality better.